Discover Pool Tiger, the all-natural revolution in pool disinfection. Install it in just 15 minutes and start saving money while enjoying a cleaner, healthier and low in chemicals pool. With Pool Tiger, you can reduce chemical usage by up to 70%, saving you a significant amount of money. This innovative system works without electricity or chemicals, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. Plus, it requires no additional maintenance, assembly or part replacement, making pool care easier than ever. Pool Tiger eliminates bacteria, algae, viruses and parasites, including those that can spread mosquito-borne diseases like dengue. Pool Tiger doesn't irritate the eyes and is gentle on the skin of the entire family, making it especially safe for children and babies, thanks to its ability to keep the water clean without harsh chemicals. Eliminates algae and prevents its regrowth, balances pH and controls acids, reducing the need for chemicals and simplifying maintenance. It also prevents scale buildup and acts as a flocculant, clarifying the water by removing suspended particles. Generates negative ions in the water, creating a healthier environment and enhancing your well-being. It also operates while the pump is running without increasing your electricity costs. How does it work? Pool Tiger uses innovative natural technology that heats the water and generates steam bubbles. When these bubbles collapse, they release intense heat that eliminates bacteria, viruses and algae, keeping your pool clear and safe. Pool Tiger is incredibly versatile. In addition to residential pools, it's ideal for domestic water tanks, hotel complexes, hospitals, communities and more. We offer various models with a 5-year warranty. Pool Tiger Residential for your home, Commercial for large installations, Spa Tiger for spas, and Pond Tiger for ponds. Join the natural revolution in disinfection with Pool Tiger. Visit our website and transform your pool into an oasis of health and clarity.